Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this adjustable single panel room divider. This also can be used as a privacy screen. It has caster wheels and brakes. So this comes in this box. It is very little, the box, but you will see the nice privacy screen that you will be having after we install it. Okay, so these are all the parts that are included. Here is the screen and all the wheels and parts that we need to put together. Okay, so the first step will be attaching the wheels right here. As you can see, they all have the brakes on them. So it's a little like you will be pulling up or down a little switch that they have, all of them. And then you will be attaching the parts that go right here on the middle. These will be like the sides of the privacy screen, and you will be attaching these with the screws and the washers. Then you will be attaching this part that will be holding the horizontal parts of this privacy screen. Okay, so once that you have all of these put together at their right length, you will be able to put the screen into it, and that's how it will go. Okay, so now that we have this part, this is the screen. You will be passing through it on the upper side and also the bottom side. Once that you have it, you will be extending it right here and putting it on the bottom part right here. As you can see, it is very easy to attach and to set up. Okay, at the end, you will be just making sure that everything is very well tightened. And this is how the privacy screen looks like. These marks that you can see, the lines, are just because it is not ironed, but you can iron this screen and it will look much better all plain. Okay, it is really nice and helps a lot for divide spaces or as a privacy screen. It comes in this khaki color, but it is also available in black and also in gray.